Good morning dear student, I am your English teacher and today we shall discuss type 2. In previous video we discussed type 1 notice for meeting. Today we shall discuss type 2 notice for events. Notice for events, competitions, celebration, annual sports event or cultural festivals. Before doing this we shall keep remember this point details, value points. The points given below are required while writing notice for events. The first point is who is organizing to event. This is the main point we should keep remember in our mind. Who is organizing the event. Second point, objective or purpose or occasion. What occasion is going on? You have to keep remember this thing in your mind. What occasion is going on? Next, date you will write, time you will write, duration, venue of the event. Next, who can participate or essential qualifications, eligibility conditions. Next point, last date for registering names, depositing the amounts, etc. These all the points you will keep remember in your mind while writing the notice. Next point is specific instructions. If you want to give any specific instructions you can mention in your notice. If any, there is not a confirm you have any specific instructions. If you have, you may write in your notice. Next, contact person with designation. Contact is very important. If you have any queries, any person is having any queries, he can easily contact you. So contact information, it is must, I think. Next, how the question will come in your exam. The question is this, written here, write a notice for the 10th All India poster making competition to be held in your school on May 26, 2021. Provide the other essential details. This is a question. This type of a question will come in your exam. So how will you write? First of all, you will make the box. Inside the box, you will write upside Smart Indian Model School in a capital letter. Second point is this, notice. In capital letter, you will write notice. Third point, you will write the date exactly on the left hand side, May 20, 2021. Next, what is subject? What is the main point? Why you are writing this? Poster making competition. So you will write here poster making competition. These are the main points. Now you will start to write here. All these students from class 4th to 12th are hereby informed that the school is organizing the 10th All India poster making competition on this date. Which date you want to write? You may write on in the school ground from 9 a.m. to 12 noon times. It is golden opportunity. It is golden opportunity for budding artists to show their talent. They can show their talents in poster making competition. Now, who can join this poster making competition? So you will mention the junior classes or senior classes. So first all you will write here junior category. In junior category you will write class 4th to 8th. Next topic, child labor. The topic is child labor. The second category is senior category. In senior category the topic is national integration. Okay, two groups are there, junior category and the next senior category. Senior category topic is national integration and junior category is the topic is child labor. Two topics are there. Okay, now in the next line you will write interested students can register themselves with the undersigned latest May 24, 2021. For further details, contact the undersigned. Here you will write your name. Here you will write your name, Sonakshi, Secretary, Art Club, and you will write this notice inside the box. This is the notice for event, for competition, for celebration, or annual sports event or cultural festivals. This was the notice type 2. In next we shall discuss type 3. Okay, thank you very much student. Have an amazing day.